It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Friday the 13th. I'm James Spann. Weekend ahead dry with cold mornings. Active weather next week. Any chance of severe weather here? Let's go in there and take a look at things. Nice dry air mass in place across Alabama this afternoon. Few high clouds around with a subtropical jet stream overhead, but the low levels are very dry. And it feels good. 60s on the board. Birmingham at 64. But tonight it will be cold. A freeze warning in effect, roughly from U.S. 278 north, Hamilton, Cullman, Gadsden. A frost warning down to I-20, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, and Anniston. Now we'll expect lows between 30 and 35. Colder pockets will see 20s early tomorrow morning. Around the nation, frost and freeze advisories in effect for much of the southern states. Check the convective outlook next week. This is day 4, which is Monday, a severe weather risk over much of Texas and Oklahoma. And on day 5, Tuesday, a risk of severe weather west of Alabama, Louisiana, parts of eastern Texas. There is no risk defined for our state, and we'll walk you through the dailies here in just a second. This is the rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through Wednesday evening of next week. Big numbers west of the state. The bullseye 6.5 inches around Jonesboro, Arkansas. And if you go out 7 days, the amounts are higher here, but still the really big numbers are north and west of Alabama in that zone from Houston to Chicago. For our state, rain amounts of 1 to 2 inches, and it looks like it might be really Thursday of next week before that stuff finally gets in here. So let's walk you through it. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. And we got a little flat ridge here and a very dry air mass at 1031 high around the shoals. We start the day well down in the 30s. The high tomorrow will be at or just over 60. A really nice day for football, anything else. Same thing Sunday. We start the day well down in the 30s, low to mid-30s, and the high Sunday should be in the low 60s, the sky bright and sunny. Monday of next week. Look at the big snows in the Rockies. A huge snowstorm cranking up out west. And in the warm sector, showers and storms develop over parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, Arkansas. We stayed dry on Monday with a high in the upper 60s. Tuesday, very deep trough west of the state, ridging over the East Coast. And again, deep low is over Kansas. Snow continues back in the cold air west of that. Showers and storms in the warm sector. East Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Missouri. Heavy rain, strong storms, maybe severe storms. But for us, just kind of a mild and breezy day with maybe a few showers about, but nothing too widespread, and a good chance we see low 70s. Pretty much the same thing Wednesday. The most organized rain probably west of the state. No doubt we'll see showers about, but not all day. And it will be mild and breezy with a high in the middle 70s. Then Thursday, the main band of showers and storms finally comes in here with rain likely. Check the instability on Thursday, and there's not much over the northern half of the state. And again, with the dynamic support shunted north, the main surface low well north, the chance of severe weather at this point looks fairly low, but clearly that looks like a very wet day. And then a week from today, Friday the 20th, the trough is lifted out. We are in a dry air mass. Should be a dry and cool day. This is the end of the forecast, Monday, November 23rd, the beginning of Thanksgiving week. And look at the cold trough over the nation's heartland. Very cold air coming down into the nation's midsection, but for us that looks like a chance of showers in advance of a cold front, but nothing severe. Temperatures for the next 15 days. Next week will be up there close to 70 Wednesday and Thursday. And again, I think we see low 70s at least Tuesday and Wednesday. And then highs back off in the 50s and lows in the 30s and 40s for the latter part of November, which is a smidgen below average here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video will be posted here Monday morning at 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders, will have the video updates tomorrow and Sunday. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.